Thank you for taking a few minutes to look at how Gravity and Bill.com can work together. So Gravity is a full payables management system, allowing you to do purchase orders, enter bills, enter credits, and actually create payments such as paper checks, such as ACH files to be uploaded to your bank. But we also realize that people like to work with payment processors such as Bill.com. So we've created a bidirectional sync to sync data from Gravity, such as vendors and bills, to Bill.com so that you can use Bill.com's workflow and or payment processing. And we've allowed you to sync data from Bill.com back into Gravity so that if you have a need to enter information in Bill.com or you have connections to other applications, you can create vendors and you can create bills in Bill.com. You can pay those bills in Bill.com and all that information will come into Gravity. So there's no duplication and it's a very flawless integration between the two products. So to get started, I would go into my payable system here in Gravity and I would, part of the expense, enter my bills, enter my credits, and you'll see that I have a handful here, and post those. And then when I'm ready, I would go into the Bill.com integration, which you can see here as an app in the system. And you'll see that we have one already active. But if I wanted to start a sync, I could pick a company like this one. It will tell me the last time this company synced to Bill.com, and I would just create a sync. And what it's going to do is actually start syncing this company. And of course, I can view what's happening. I can even view the errors. And then when it's done, it'll basically give me back a result that says everything has synced correctly, or if there are any errors, it would show me those. Now, errors can be something like we didn't have an invoice number on an invoice in Gravity when we try to sync it to Bill.com, because otherwise Bill.com won't have a reference number, and that's required in Bill.com is to have that invoice number. So I would go out there, make all my payments now in Bill.com, come back here and sync, and all the payments would come back into Gravity. So it's a very simple process, and we leverage what Bill.com can do in the way of workflow and payment processing, and make it really easy to enter your data in Gravity or enter your data in Bill.com. At the end of the day, Gravity will be your full payable system with all your agings, all your vendor management, all your history, and so on. Thank you for taking a few minutes to look at how we work with Bill.com.